Oh my God! What is going on out here, y'all? What's poppin', gang? This is the gang right here. We about to shovel out all this snow, and you know what makes it even worse? We got a driveway, y'all. God damn! I'm out here shoveling snow with no gloves. Call me the GOAT. Oh my God, he bugging right here. Look at this man right here. Gang!
Yeah.
Hey, yo, now, right here. Jesse, get out! Hold up, the cat outside, y'all. Hold up. We can't lose Jesse to the snow now. Jesse, get in the house!
Get your ass in the house!
Jesse love coming outside. Why don't Gypsy see that
I think Gypsy is trying to help us snow.
it's snowing outside? Look, we deserve all the subscribers because we out here in the snow with it. Okay? I deserve about 10K by next week. Honestly. Get busy. Man, I'm about to add. We out here getting busy. No love. So come on now. Help us get to 10K, you feel me? We gonna keep dropping contact, you feel me? I don't even know. This snow came out of nowhere, y'all. I ain't gonna gel off, y'all. I don't know where this snow came from. And it's like we shoveling and it's still snowing. Ain't gonna work tomorrow. Ain't gonna work tomorrow. Ain't gonna work tomorrow. Hey. You know I had to do a little dance for y'all though. Yo, listen. If anybody is around here, $200 to shovel this out. $500. $1,000. $1,500. Somebody come do this because it is cold out here and I ain't got no gloves. Alright, y'all, look. I gotta put this down for a little bit, y'all, but because I gotta shovel out a little bit. I tell y'all, gang, get us 10,000. Let me get us 10K. We up, 10K. I'll be back, gang.
Approximately 10 hours later.
This what we doing at 3 a.m. Samara got me walking outside. Why it snow? Oh my jeez!
Jesus Christ.
Got my phone. Got me walking outside at 3 a.m. for a smoothie. I'm in the Crocs. Samara and her PJ. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. And the car basically snowed in. I don't feel like shoveling. Samara damn sure ain't shoveling. So we out here about to walk around the corner to get a smoothie. Cause we thirsty. And Samara keep asking about this smoothie. So hopefully she likes it. Cause if she doesn't, then we didn't took it. Why would you even do that? Now Samara done throw a freaking snowball at my freaking face. I'm all cold and stuff. Yo, it really hasn't been snowing in a minute. And it's snowing now? That's crazy. Now I'm not walking on that side. My feet gonna get all wet and stuff because of my Crocs. But she playing in the snow, bro. Samara, you better stop playing before you bust your ass. Oh. Guess what we fucking forgot?
What?
A mask.
Oh no, I got both of them.
You got one? Lifesaver. Bruh. It's 3 a.m. in the morning.
Well, my mom said she gave me.
And we really out here for a smoothie. I mean, it's cold as hell. Hell yeah. You know it's cold when you could see air coming out of your mouth. It look like every time you talk, you smoking, but you not smoking.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's just cold as hell. That's to tell you right there. It's cold as hell. Get your ass back in the house, bro. Okay. Oh yeah. Here go people trying to clear the snow out. Honestly, cause the sidewalk is like we got mad snow. So tomorrow, me and Samara gonna do this video. I came up with this video. Oh, it said our order is ready. Cause you know, DoorDash think they funny, but they not even funny. Why the hell nobody wanna come out and deliver our food, bro? Nobody wants to deliver.
You know what's the bad part? Uber drivers talking about they don't make no money. This is the time to actually make money. You know,
Yeah,
place an order.
because you know how many people trying to place an order at 3 in the morning? Or you know how many people hungry right now and trying to get some food? And y'all talking about something. Y'all not doing delivery, but we could pick it up. Like, damn, they lucky we want this movie. Because if I ain't want it, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was not gonna walk up out of here. It took Samara a lot to get me out this house. Hold the camera real quick.
Yeah, I see my face. My nose look like it's turning colors. Yeah, we bundled up.
Hell yeah.
I see the snow and stuff.
Cars all snowed in.
Or look at these cars, bro. They snowed in and stuff.
Oh, they said our order ready for pickup.
Oh, I don't know how you hold this camera. My phone cold. My finger's cold.
I used to go to school here. Like, I went to school here on my middle school years. Worst middle school year. I mean, it was lit or whatever, but oh my God. Principal, vice principals, all be dick ride. All be on my ass and stuff. Feel me? They be going too much. I don't got time for them. I ordered already. 2 smoothies. Yeah, they said my food has ready to pick up. Yes, thank you. Cookies and stuff. Thank you. Come on, let's get some more. Yo, it's cold as hell out here. I ain't no jello. So I was like, you know what? Since we gotta,
I almost died.
Since we taking this walk, we might as well do like a little vloggy vlog for y'all. Let y'all know what's up. Yo, me and Samara was also talking about how. Nah, but I got this. It just came out of mine. Look, see, these smoothies better be worth it.
You want me to hold it?
Samara got banana. Yeah, hold it for me. Samara got banana, and I got strawberry. But check this out. I ain't gonna lie. We do got a lot of contact coming. You feel me? We got mad contact coming. All 2021, we grinding, feel me? And without y'all, we wouldn't have them 1,000 subscribers. So we appreciate y'all. You feel me? We appreciate the support. Now we on our way to 10K. 10K. Look, Samara done dropped her mask. 10K right there is the goal. What's the goal, babe?
10K.
10K, you heard? So y'all gotta stay in tune. Y'all gotta keep watching the videos. Run that last video up. Keep running that up. Keep commenting, keep liking, keep subscribing.
I wanna fucking.
Oh yeah. No cap.
Hey, if you was in a vlog, you should have told me I would have gave you the gloves.
Nah, it just popped in my head. It's just, let's vlog. We might as well vlog. We walk into the store. This is basically 3 a.m. Chronicles. However you say.
3 a.m. vibes.
Like, every time it gets a certain time, now Samara want to be like, oh, I'm hungry. Swear to God. We could eat and all. It'll be like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Samara be waiting till it be like 11. Nah, not even 11. Like, as soon as it hit like 12, 1, 2, or 3. That's like Samara like, oh yeah, let's go get something to eat. Mind you, she saying it's my fault that we couldn't take the car because I waited too long. But look, check this out. It been snowing all day. It been snowing. I know the snow looked like this. That's exactly why I didn't want to come outside. But I'm like, you know what? If I don't get some of this smoothie, she gonna be thinking about it all day, all night. She gonna talk about it all day, all night. And I'm like, you know what? I ain't got time for that. I said, you know what? I'm gonna get my baby a smoothie. So you know what? We got bundled up, got dressed, and damn, it's cold. And you feel me? We came and got the smoothie. That's what we did. That's some 3 a.m. vibes, you heard? Y'all know about those. Y'all know about them vibes. I swear. Tell you, that's how you know it's cold, yeah. Triple. Yeah. So I had came up with this video that me and Samara gonna do tomorrow. And we gonna do like a little snowball fight or whatever. I was like, it just came to head. I'm like, babe, let's do a snowball. Yeah, matter of fact, I'm telling y'all too much info. Y'all gonna see tomorrow. It's gonna be lit up. It's gonna be lit. Real lit. I swear. All the cars snowed in and driving, so you already know. You gotta show that out. I ain't doing that.
Hi, baby.
Here, and pull it up.
Gypsy, say what's up to the vlog.
Samara loves Gypsy. This our baby right here. Hey, babe.
My only child. Say what's up. Be like, what's up?
I don't feel like pulling the couch over here, so we're gonna try it like this. You ready? Here.
Bro, what the fuck they steal this shit with is blowing my shit.
Right? Oh, yeah.
Alright, babe.
I was about to sit. I'm about to sit on the couch. You ready?
Ready?
Let's see if it was worth that walk. Yeah. I like mine. You like yours? My face kind of iffy. You know what I felt like you should have got with yours? Carnation milk. Nah, yours is good. It's sweet.
Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop your fucking lying.
Yours is sweet, babe. Got a brain for you? They got a brain for you.
I'm in pain.
Here, babe. Now she about to drink all mine.
Can Gypsy have some?
Yeah. Nah, they not that bad though. Nah, but for real, y'all, stay tuned. We dropping bringers all 2021. You feel me? Y'all already know it's popping. You feel me? Stay tuned. Subscribe. Keep liking, keep commenting. Babe, you want to say anything to the vlog?
Subscribe. Gypsy, drink that.
And we're out. Bye.